Hi kids! Let's match the stars together. Let's make a star by matching stars. It's looking so cute. Hooray! It's looking cute. It's looking brilliant. Let's go to the next one. Oh my god. Good job. Hooray! Now I will select cupcake. Let's make cupcake by matching the stars. I love cupcakes. Do you love cupcakes? My favorite flavor of cupcake is chocolate. Hooray! This cupcake is so small, but it's looking awesome. I love cupcakes. I love cherry too. Good job! Hooray! Let's collect stickers. I'm going to choose bag. Now I will select hot air balloon. Let's make hot air balloon by matching stars. Have you ever traveled in a hot air balloon? I have traveled. Hot air balloons fly high in sky. Hooray! This hot air balloon is so colorful. I love this. It's awesome. Good job. It is the best hot air balloon I have ever seen. Let's pop. Good job. Let's pop the balloons. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.